welcome to the Nisam coaching classes. Today we will be studying the president and vice president. Actually both are the different topic, but I am teaching you this together so that you can well compare both of the topics. You can differentiate how president is different from the vice president, what are the criteria which are different from each other, and what are the similar things in both of these. Okay? And this will be convenient for you to remember also what are the provisions of the president and what are the provisions of the vice president. So now I am starting from the president. Actually president always remains the first citizen of India. President is the first citizen of India. As we know that as per the article 1, India means Bharat is the union of state, and as according to that president is the first citizen of India, and vice president always remains the second citizen of India. Vice president is second citizen of India. President is the first citizen of India and vice president is the second citizen of India. The next one is both are appointed for the 5 years. President also and the vice president also, both are appointed for the 5 years also. Now we are required to know the electoral college of the president. What does this electoral college means? Electoral college means the person who will cast the vote for the president and the peoples who will cast the vote for the vice president. Actually the election of the president and vice president, the election of both take place by the indirect method. What does this indirect method mean? Indirect method means that normal peoples, the common peoples will not be casting their vote in the election of the president and the vice president. Now the election take place with the help of indirect method. The election take place with the indirect method, and here also. Who remains in the electoral college of the president? So actually MPs, MLAs, MP. MPs plus MLAs, ठीक है? Only elected MPs and MLAs, only elected, not the nominated. As we know that in the Lok Sabha, out of 545, 443 members remains elected, while 2 members remains nominated from the Anglo-Indians community. Those 2 nominated members will not be casting their vote in the election of the president. And in the Rajya Sabha, as we know that 12 members remains nominated from the various fields. They also does not cast their vote in the election of the president. Only the elected member. Elected member means who have came to the parliament by contesting the elections, not directly by the nominations. Only the elected. And in case of the vice presidents, both elected and nominated member MPs, elected and nominated MPs, I mean member of Lok Sabha and member of Rajya Sabha, both elected and nominated, both cast the vote in the elections of the vice president. इसके बाद हम जो बात करेंगे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट में, अब थोड़ा सा ध्यान देने की बात ये है, the next thing to remember is that कि भाई आपको अगर आप प्रेसिडेंट की पावर पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान दें, प्रेसिडेंट और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, इसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट डिफरेंस इनमें रहता है वो रहता है इनके बीच में पावर का. I welcome you to the Nisam once again. ठीक है, today we will be discussing the नीति आयोग. Actually नीति आयोग का शुरू से नाम नीति आयोग नहीं है. Actually नीति आयोग का जो फॉर्मेशन हुआ वो 1950 में हुआ, जबकि ऑपरेशनल हुआ 1951 में. ऑपरेशनल हुआ 1951 में, ये याद रखने वाली बात है. और आपको आगे ले चलता हूँ मैं नीति आयोग में. इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा फोकस करने वाली बात यह है कि 2015 में नीति आयोग का नाम योजना आयोग का नाम बदल के नीति आयोग कर दिया गया. एक्चुअली पहले इसको जो बोला जाता था वो प्लानिंग कमीशन था, और अब इसका नाम जो हो गया पॉलिसी कमीशन हो गया. नाम में क्या डिफरेंस है, पहले इस पे अपन लोग आते हैं, फिर पूरे स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि कौन कौन होता है आखिर नीति आयोग में, कैसे अलग है नीति आयोग योजना आयोग से, ये भी अपन लोग देखेंगे, और क्या इनकी फंक्शनिंग होती है, कैसे ये काम करते हैं, अगर ये ना हो तो क्या हो जाएगा, इस चीज़ पे भी हम लोग विचार करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले ज़रूरी है ये जानने की ज़रूरत है कि नीति आयोग क्या है और प्लानिंग कमीशन क्या हुआ करता था, ये देखते हैं जरा. सबसे पहले था योजना आयोग. योजना आयोग का नाम कर दिया गया नीति आयोग या फिर प्लानिंग कमीशन.